In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect or remove bank account from QuickBooks Online. If you want to stop QuickBooks from pulling in new transactions from a bank or credit card, disconnecting the feed is the right move. This won't delete your past data or your account's history. It simply turns off the live connection so nothing new comes in and your existing records stay intact. Start by going to QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and open Accounting. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is the complete list of all your accounts, including bank and credit card accounts that may be connected to online banking. Find the specific account you want to disconnect. You can use the search box or filter to make it faster if you have a long list. When you see the account, look to the right for the small drop-down arrow in the Action column and choose Edit. That opens the account setup window where you can manage how the account behaves in your books. In the Edit window, look for the option that says, Disconnect this account on save. Check that box. This tells QuickBooks to stop importing new transactions from the bank after you save your changes. Now save, and when prompted, confirm the choice. QuickBooks will finalize the update and the bank feed for that account will be turned off. A few helpful notes as you do this. Disconnecting does not remove any transactions that are already in your books, and it doesn't delete the account from your chart of accounts. You'll still see the account for reporting and for your historical records. It simply stops new downloads. If you had transactions sitting in the For Review tab before disconnecting, consider whether you want to add or exclude them first so your books stay consistent. Also, it's a good idea to note the last date of imported transactions so you can manually add anything that needs to be captured after the disconnection date. If you ever need to restore the connection later, you can reconnect the same account and resume importing from your bank going forward. Just keep in mind that banks vary on how many days of data they'll bring in on reconnection. That's all there is to it. You went to QuickBooks Online, opened Accounting, selected Chart of Accounts, picked the account, used the drop-down to edit it, and checked Disconnect this account on save, then confirmed, clean, controlled, and no loss of your existing data.